What kind of gametes would be produced by organisms having the following genotypes? We're going to use the FOIL method to find all the possible gametes. The first one is going to be capital A, capital B. Second one, also big A, big B. Third one, the inner two, little a, big B. And the last, little a, big B. If we were going to put these into Punnett square, we would cancel any repeats. And so we would just use those two unique gametes. For part B, we're going to have a little a, big B, another one, third one, and the last one is the same. So this time, again, if we were putting into the Punnett square, we would cancel out all of the repeats, leaving us just one to put into our Punnett square. Let's look at the next one. We have capital A, little b, another one. Then we have little a, little b, and finally another little a, little b. We'll cancel out the repeats, leaving us with two gametes to put into our Punnett square. The last one, I can see it is homozygous for both traits, so we are going to have all of the same gametes again. And so if we were putting this into a Punnett square, we would cancel 3 and just put 1 into our Punnett square. Let's look at question 2. Draw a Punnett square for the following crosses. So again, the first step is to write the gametes. We're going to have big A, big B, big A, little b, little a, big B, and little a, little b. For the second parent, I can see that there's only going to be one unique gamete because it only contains capital A and capital B's. Let's draw our Punnett square. I'm going to put the 4 gametes across the top. And then the one on the side. And then when we cross them, we put the same alleles from the same gene back together. So big A, big B, little b, big A, little a. We put the most dominant one first within the 2 genes, and then big A, big B, little b. Let's look at 2b. We'll do the same thing. We will find the possible gametes. So big A, big B, then big A, little b, little a, big B, and little a, little b. For the second parent, they're all going to have a little a and a little b. So I'm just going to write that once. And once again, it is a 1x4 Punnett square. So we'll have our little AB along the side, big AB, big A, little b, little a, big B, and little a, little b. First one is heterozygous for both. Big A, 2 little b's, 2 little a's, big B, little b, and finally completely recessive.